In this video today, I am introducing you to how to make money by mining Spur Protocol. This is a new mining app and the TGE or the listing date is fixed for the third quarter of 2025. If you join now, you are going to be one of the people that joined the project early. And these Spur Protocol mining, they are partnered with Xenia Wallet, Moshia. They are also partnered with Collably Network and Ella Labs. Most people who join this project, Spur Protocol or Spur Pro, have also joined the Pi Network, the Pulse, the Airdrop Earning Bangladesh, and they also took part in the Docs project. Now, let me explain to you some of the key points you are going to encounter when you try to start mining. Now, when you click on the my referral code or you click on the link, that link is going to take you to the app. So you can download the app from the App Store, whether you're using Android or using other types of phone types that are above Android, that is the iPhone. Now, when you join and download the app, it's going to give you the option, or you cannot continue registration unless you put in your referral code. So you take my referral code, which I will leave in the description section of this video, and then you put it there and then you are good to go. Now, mining goes on for about every 4 hours or every 3 hours. Mining takes place. The mining here is called farming. So it goes on its own without your interruption. Another thing you can do is to do Telegram task. That is a daily bonus task. When you do the Telegram task, you get some points. When you do the Twitter task, you get some points. Let me say that the moment you join, you are going to get 1,000 points. Then by the time you do all this task, you are going to get other points. Now, when you leave the home page, you click on the next page just at the base after the home page. You see what is referred to as the wheel spinner. So you have the chance to spin the wheel 2 times in a day, twice in a day. And if you want to spin more than twice, you need to pay. So for you and for me, I think spinning twice in a day is cool. Then you also have on that same page Treasure Play. So Treasure Play allows you to click on 2 out of about 12 items on that page. So inside the item is hidden some treasure. Some will tell you nothing, some will give you high treasure. So you try to click on any 2 and what comes up, you take it. Then teach and learn is also included. But for this, I have not really taken time to explore it. But with time, we shall explore how you can earn from that. Apart from this, you have the word Scrabble. You know how Scrabble is played, and in the Scrabble, you click, you show the time you want, you show the difficulty, whether simple, medium, or difficult, and then you play your Scrabble. Like it is showing now, it is showing me TEC. So as it is showing TEC, you are going to decide what you want to play, and then you play TEC. What other word can you form with TEC? You know how Scrabble works. So you rearrange it and form a real English word, and then you get a point for that. So for this Scrabble, you can also play twice in a day. After that, if you want to play more, you have to pay. Then there's on that same page, there's tweet and earn. So you make a tweet using the description and the instruction given, and then you paste the link somewhere there, and then you earn from that. Apart from that, there's also opportunity to prediction, and that is coming soon. Then there's another one that says each game has different idea and reward. Another thing, something say here that you should check something out, and I'm trying to check it out, and it's taking me to Instagram and showing me the sport games, and I've joined the sport games right away. So after joining the sport games, I'm going back to um, to the sport app again. Now, after the first one, which is the home page at the base, the second one showing us the different sport pro extras. The third one is talking about bring a friend along. So the more friends you refer, the more points you are going to get. This is where you're going to see your referral code, your referral link, and every other thing which your friends are going to use. So this is you can share with friends on Telegram, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter, by SMS. You can copy the link, you can share with them by email, or you can just click share and to take you to where you want it to go to. Now, share the news and encourage your friends to join. You get 1,000 spore for every new invite, and also receive a two-level commission from friends, that is 10% and 5%. So it is not just at the point where you joined, your friends that join after you, or that the friends that your friends refer up to two, you are still going to get points for that. Now is the next one said earn more spores. Then there's this one that says incomplete and complete. So there are some tasks you do here. When you've done them successfully, you get the points. It moves to the completed section. And when you have not completed it, it remains in the incomplete. So you can always go back there and check. Then there's this bulb that shows quiz. So daily, you can take one quiz per day for 7 days or for 5 days. And for each day, you are going to get some points. In my own case, sometimes it's going to say unable to locate resources. Please retry with a stable internet connection or contact the support. Sometimes you want to do anything on this app, it's going to tell you that you need to do you need to be patient. So you keep trying. It's like the internet, it requires very strong internet connection before it can work. Then the last, which is showing like the settings, is where you are going to have your picture and your name, your username and other things, your global rank, your farm level, your account information, about Sport Pro, privacy policy, terms and conditions, subscribe to Telegram, follow on Twitter, follow on Instagram, subscribe on YouTube, send us an email, invite your friends, delete my account, log me out. All these things are there on the settings part, which is the last. So if you have any coupon or a voucher code, you can also redeem it on the home page. So currently I just started mining this in about 1 hour or 30 minutes ago, and I have 1462.6. So the farming rate is 0.400 per hour. That means in 10 hours it's going to be 4, and then in 20 hours it's going to mine 8. But I think by taking part in most of the activities, you are going to get a lot of benefit from that. So this is where I'm going to stop on this. If you have any question or you have comments, you can ask in the description section. So this is Spur Protocol, and Spur Protocol is a decentralized system building a future LI chain. So the cost for you to join, it is free. Then the name of the token is Spur dollar. Then the airdrop guarantee is 100%. So the code you're going to use to join, the referral code, you can see it in the description section and in the comment section of this video. So you sign up, then you get the premium bonus. You play games and claim the sport points frequently. Then you complete tasks and take part on special events and USDT rewards and other assets. So by doing this, you are going to be part of the early adapters. Early adapters are not magicians. What they do is that they take advantage of market conditions, and at the end of the day, it pays them very well because they started early. My name is Dr. Olubenkade, and on this channel, I bring you information on how to make money both online and offline. Many have said, why didn't you show the picture of this thing you are saying and other things? Please bear with me and just follow the instruction I've given and click on the link, and you are going to see the picture by yourself. This is not my main job. This is just a community service job I'm doing. and I am expecting you to bear with me, and you are also smart people that can look into abstract material information and convert it to real world information like we are going to do in this case. Just click on the link. It's going to help you to download the app and then use my referral code to join, and then as you join, you are going to be glad you did. For the sake of those who are going to be joining using my referral code is 842E842, capital E, small n, capital C, 4, capital F, and then X. So I'm going to leave it also in the description section and also in the comment section of this video. So I've made more than 1,000 videos on this YouTube channel teaching you how to make money both online and offline. I was telling some of my partners, some of my friends in my WhatsApp group, which I've created for airdrops like this, that you have not been making money, you have not been cashing out, just working. The time you are going to cash out is very, very soon. So I do not want you to give up on these projects. Start the projects, and when you start cashing out, we are all going to see it together. So this is the investing stage. This is time to work, and let's put in the work, and then we are going to be happy that we did in a few weeks or few months time. So I've made more than 1,000 videos. Go ahead and check them, and then if you have any questions, ask me. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and keep coming back for more. I'm going to see you in the next one. The piano I was showing in this video, I bought it so that my students can train and can learn how to play the piano. So you also can do that for your children. Please, I will see you in the next video. This video popping up by the side from my channel is the next one you need to go ahead and watch now. Don't leave my channel. Go ahead and watch more and more videos from this very channel. I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye-bye.